All right, we want to go over how to log into the MyViewBoard for Windows Whiteboard app. So you should have already installed it and you should see a desktop icon. If you do not see that, you can go ahead and search for it in the search bar. Once you launch it, if you think this will be an application that you use fairly regularly, you're welcome to right-click and pin it to your taskbar so it stays down there for you to launch easily without having to navigate to your desktop or search for it. Once the application is launched, you want to click Sign In with Google here at the bottom. That's going to pass you off to the MyViewBoard web-based application, because there are some aspects of this that hand off to the web-based version, like the ability to do wireless presentations and video conferencing. Once you're logged in, you should go ahead and navigate back to the MyViewBoard whiteboard application, and you'll notice that you're now logged in.